Did you know that 91% of people regret not saving enough to enjoy real financial freedom? Most people spend decades working hard but still feel stuck in the same loop. I've been there too, doing low-paying work, feeling like there's no way out. And slowly, life turns into a routine that drains your energy every single day. But here's the shift. These 11 rules can completely change how you handle money and your future. Rule number 1, the rule of 72. A simple way to understand how fast your money can double. At low returns, money grows slowly, but at higher returns, growth becomes powerful. Rule number 2, the rule of 70. Inflation quietly reduces your money's value over time, even if you don't notice it. Rule number 3, the rule of 25. Take your yearly expenses and multiply them by 25. That's your freedom number. Rule number 4, always build an emergency fund, at least 6 months of expenses. Rule number 5, protect your family with proper life insurance. Rule number 6, divide your income wisely. Spend less, invest more. Rule number 7, pause before buying anything impulsively. Give it 7 days. Most urges disappear. Rule number 8, your age decides your risk. The younger you are, the more you can invest in growth. Rule number 9, don't overspend on cars. Keep it practical, not emotional. Rule number 10, be smart when buying a house. Don't let EMIs control your life. Rule number 11, keep your total EMIs under control. Never let them cross a safe limit, because one mistake can create long-term stress. Financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about discipline, repeated every single day. Start now. Small actions today create big results tomorrow. And remember, don't just learn this, apply it. That's what truly changes everything.